Hello, it's Paul. Welcome to my training for a trade company using Zoho CRM free version. We're going to dive straight in by signing up. So I'm going to put in my name and I'm going to put in trade at myname.com. So your email address, add a password and sign up. I'm just going to sound off so you don't get deafened. Get started creating your account. The free version, you can have up to 10 users for free. It's a pretty good deal, but obviously with the free version it's limited. There's not a lot of things, not a lot of functions, not a customization, and you don't want to get confused with the first sign up because it gives you the enterprise version, right? So time zone, you want to make sure this is right. So -12 for me is wrong. I am right on the money. Greenwich Mean Time in Timbuktu. I might leave it at that just for a laugh. France, Faroe, Shetland. Oh my god. Why does it matter which? Greenwich Mean Time, Africa. I'm looking for something Ukrainia. I'm looking for London, GMT. Yeah, GMT. Eastern Time. It's not Eastern Time. I don't know what ESTC stands for. Language, United Kingdom. Currency, and it's up to you. You want to change it with your dollars or something. And I just click save, right? Now, I am going to add sample data. And if I were you, I would add it as well, just to get started. So just click add. Just for me. If you've got multiple users signing up, you can share it so they can test and play too. If you're just looking at it for an option, you're going to want to share it with people so they can see it. But I'm just going to show you this as if one person's signing up. It's going to take a while to add the custom data. And what I'm going to show you is the trial version is the enterprise version. It isn't the free version. So you'll be looking at this going, oh, look at it. It's got quotes and invoices and forecasts, and my forecast I think is in the free version. Campaigns are in the free version. Products, this sort of stuff isn't in the free version. So what you need to do is go up here, turn off the trial straight away. If you're not willing, if you're not expected to pay, for if you don't want to pay for this, then just switch to the free version. I understand. Switch to the free version, right? That turns you into free edition up here. Okay, so now at the top you're getting less options, and projects is a tab. Again, that'll be a paid app as well. I sure want to do, what's this? Quick action: pull your leads from your website, create a web form. We're going to go through all this one by one. So at the moment we are in the free version. We've just turned it off, so it's the free version, and we've imported test data, right? So make sure you're at that point, and then we'll step to the next lesson.